Hello everybody and welcome to Luxcess Daily Market Update. I hope you had successful Tuesday and got some pips even when the market was quite tricky. Today for Euro, the great importance will have release of Eurozone Services Purchasing Managers Index, which measures the activity level of purchasing managers in the services sector. The report is based on surveys of about 600 businesses in private sector. The results represent improvement, deterioration, or no change since the previous month, and it's based on questions and answers of respondents from which an index is derived. A level of 50 indicates no change since previous month, above 50 indicates an increase, and below 50 a decrease. Higher than expected should be seen as positive, while lower than expected as negative for Euro. In the UK, the Services Purchasing Managers Index, which measures the activity level of purchasing managers in the services sector, will be released. A reading above 50 indicates expansion in the sector. A reading below 50 indicates contraction. A higher than expected should be seen as positive, while lower than expected as negative for Great Britain pound. In the US, the ADP National Employment Report change is going to be published. It measures monthly change in non-farm private employment based on payroll data of 400,000 business clients. It's a good predictor of the government's non-farm payroll report. The change in this indicator can be very volatile. A higher than expected should be seen as positive, while lower than expected as negative for US dollar. Also, the report for US crude oil inventories will be released. It measures weekly change in the number of barrels of commercial crude oil held by US firms. The level of inventories influences the price of petroleum products, which can have an impact on inflation. If the increase in crude inventories is more than expected, it implies weaker demand and it's bearish for crude prices. The same can be said if a decline in inventories is less than expected. If the increase in crude is less than expected, it implies greater demand and is bullish for the crude prices. The same can be said if a decline in inventories is more than expected. For today, that would be all, guys. Thank you for being here with us, and please subscribe and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. If you have any questions about the market, prices or anything, just let me know and I will try to give you an answer as soon as possible. So thank you guys and see you.